Want to know if someone restricted you on Facebook? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application or web browser Facebook and make sure you are logged in. It will land you on this page once you are logged in. Now click on this message icon at the top right corner and move into the inbox of the person that you want to see if they have restricted you or not. Once you're in their inbox, first thing first, you have to make sure that the online status of yours is toggled on. Once it is toggled on, right here below their name, you should see the online status. If you can find their active status, then it means that they haven't restricted you yet. But if you couldn't see the option, then it might mean that they have restricted your account. The next thing you can try doing is send the message. If the message says only sent and not delivered, then it might also mean that your account has been restricted by this person. Or the next thing you can try doing is simply click on their profile, head over to view profile, simply move into any of the posts that they have posted, and then try commenting on their post. Once you have commented, now head over to any of the other account and check whether your comment appears or not. If the comment doesn't show on their post, then it means that the account has been restricted. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.